Smiles are very, very contagious. But it's a very take care. दिशा सोनी.
अभी एक्चुअली मेरा थ्रोबॉल मैच था, तो अभी हमें स्कूल से बाहर लेके जाते हैं. तो लास्ट ईयर भी था, बट एग्ज़ाम्स थे तो मैं जा नहीं पाई. इस बार एप्लीकेशन दी थी, तो हमें देनी पड़ती है एप्लीकेशन बाहर जाने के लिए. तो अभी हमें सिरोही लेके जाएंगे थ्रोबॉल मैच के लिए. तो मेरे को सिरोही जाना है खेलने, फिर वहाँ से आगे आगे जाते रहेंगे. बट एक बार सिरोही चले जाए तो अच्छा है. और my long-term goal is I want to become an event manager.
What are you doing for that? Event manager. But you are quite focused on it. Suppose बाद में इच्छा हो जाए ये सही नहीं था, मुझे तो ये करना चाहिए था. Are you comfortable about that? Suppose your goal changes later. Is it right or wrong? Why not right? Today you feel that way. Suppose you have some other idea after 2 years.
But just now I don't feel that.
Exactly.
I'm trying to.
Suppose you have it, you are open to that.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, very good. Vessels to clean them. कितने लोगों ने अपने बर्तन साफ करने के लिए धोए? अच्छा, दूसरा प्रश्न है, कितने लोगों ने, कितने बच्चों ने अपने बर्तन धोने के लिए धोए? कितने लोगों ने, अरे दिस इज द क्रक्स ऑफ जॉय ऑफ लिविंग, कितने धोने के लिए धोए? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? आई विल टेल यू द डिफरेंस. जब हम बर्तन को साफ करने के लिए धो रहे हैं, हमारा शरीर, हमारे जो हाथ हैं वो बर्तन को धो रहे हैं. हमारा मन कहाँ है? हमारा मन है साफ कब होगा. मन है साफ कब होगा, कब हम बर्तन को उठाएंगे. When I'll place it back, when will I go up? Okay, you connect it with all other activities of your life. The errands you have to do, the work you have to do. कोई सब्जेक्ट बहुत टफ है, ठीक है, और वही बर्तन को आप धोने के लिए धो रहे हैं. The end result is that you get clean, but you are washing the dishes to wash them. What is happening? Your mind and your body both are together in that act. Am I making it clear? ये क्लियर तब होगा कल आप वापस एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. कल भोजन के बाद आप बर्तन धोएं. आप मन में सोचिए कि मैं बर्तन धोने के लिए धो रही हूँ. What happens? Your 100% is into washing them. You start feeling the flow of water. You start feeling the feel of the soap buds. That same जो headache लग रहा था, अभी हेडेक नहीं है. नो, पीपल आर डूइंग नथिंग. कभी भी कोई हेडेक लगता है या चोर लगता है या चोर मतलब दैट फील इट्स अ वर्क टू बी डन, इट बिकम्स अ मेडिटेशन. दिस इज व्हाट माइंडफुलनेस इज ऑल अबाउट. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट योर इवन डेली मंडेन एक्टिविटीज इनटू अ जॉयफुल एक्सपीरियंस. ये आप कल जरूर कोशिश करिएगा. जब बर्तन धोएं, हमने ये नहीं रखें कि मैं अब साफ करने के लिए धो रही हूँ, मैं धोने के लिए धो रही हूँ. अटपटी सी बात लगती है, लेकिन कल जरूर करके आना और उसके बाद दोपहर में अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताना. ओके, वी कैरी ऑन. तेजल कुंवर. ओके, तेजल.
My name is Tejal Kumar. I am in class 8th. I am 8 years old. I am 10 years old.
What hobbies you are interested in? Any sports you like? Any sports? कोई खेल पसंद है, या कोई चीज़ पसंद है जिसमें मन लगता हो? वॉलीबॉल, वाह, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड थिंग, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच.
Everyone, I am Sejal Chaudhary. I am a local girl and I am here for the first time for this Shivir. So my short-term goal basically is not particularly in getting marks in 10th boards or 12th boards, but it's just living happy in it. Whatever I do, that is the shortest goal or the short-term goal. And my long-term goal is becoming an IAS. For that I have kept a backup plan as well, because IAS is as such unpredictable. You cannot be really confident or certain about that yes, I'll be able to clear the UPSC exam. So I have made a backup plan, that is doing LLB, CLAT and then becoming a lawyer. I'll start my practice and then I'll go for UPSC exams.
Wonderful, wonderful. Fantastic. See, this is very nice inspiration. कोई भी गोल बनाओ, एक बैकअप प्लान होने से गोल अचीव नहीं हुआ, मार्क्स पूरे नहीं मिले, कई लोग फिर सुसाइड की तरफ जा रहे हैं, डिप्रेशन है, एंजाइटी है, प्रॉब्लम्स है. बैकअप होना चाहिए, ऑल्टरनेटिव होना चाहिए. कई चीज़ें अपने हाथ में नहीं होती है, प्रारब्ध का अपना खेला है, यू टू एक्सेप्ट इट. सम थिंग्स आर नॉट इन आवर हैंड, व्हाट टू डू. हमेशा ऑल्टरनेटिव होना चाहिए. एंड आई लाइक दिस, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. व्हाट गिव्स यू जॉय? Almost everything except control. Control inside or from outside?
Any control, I don't like control.
Very interesting, Sejal. Okay. We'll talk about control someday. Okay. Falguni Oja.
Hello everyone, my name is Falguni Oza and my short-term goal is to achieve a good marks in 10th board result. And my long goal is to become a magistrate. That's why.
Very nice. Surbi Purohit.
Jai Shankar everyone. My name is Surbi Purohit. I'm an engineer and I'm a freelancer. I own a small card shop of my own named Mitas. And my short-term goal is to enjoy these all 5 days and to work up early. And long-term goals probably are in making. I want to open my own art studio. For that I am making a course. बहुत कुछ चाहिए होता है और इसी को मैं
And what gives a joy is going to get lots. Morning sunshine, mountains, and spending time in Abu. Get that. Lots and lots. Yeah, so Priyambada. But the issue is you have been in Abu in 5 days. What do you do for 360 days with joy of living? I'll tell you what to do. You take that Abu inside you.
जय शंकर.
Shankar.
मेरा नाम प्रतिभा व्यास है और मेरा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है, अभी मैंने 12th का एग्ज़ाम दिया है, सुबह से उसका रिजल्ट का इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ. एंड मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म गोल ऐसे तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं लिटरेचर में कोई अच्छी सा वर्क करूँ, बट स्टिल अगर वो पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ तो मैं एक टीचिंग फील्ड में जाना ज़रूर चाहती हूँ.
Even nobler than medicine. That's my personal. Meenal Vyas.
By joy of living things, मुझे न्यू फ्रेंड बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वो आज मैंने बहुत सारे बनाए. मनताकनी दीदी सबसे पहली फ्रेंड है मेरी मनताकनी. सुरभि दीदी, ये पूरा ग्रुप मेरा बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड बन गया है. और मेरा एम है मैं बैंक में जॉब करूँ और वो मैंने चालू कर दिया है उसको. जो भी मेरा बैकअप है वो भी चालू हो चुका है. फाउंडेशन कोर्स इज कंप्लीट, डिप्लोमा कोर्स आई विल रनिंग है.
Awesome.
My name is Kalyani. I have completed my com honors and accounting.
My name is Kalyani and I have completed my BCom Honors in Accounting branch and now in LLB second year. My short-term goal is normal CS and lawyer, ये academically है और मेन लॉन्ग-टर्म गोल में भी academic तो मजिस्ट्रेट है बट आई फॉरगेट मैंने मेंशन नहीं किया उसके अंदर.
मैं लिख दूँगा.
हेल्प. अब किसी भी कोई भी बंदा या किसी भी टाइप का कोई बंदा अगर परेशान है तो मुझे उसकी हेल्प करनी है. उसके लिए अगर मुझे कुछ भी करना पड़े मैं कर लूँगी. लाइक अगर वो किसी तरह से उसको फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम है उसके लिए कुछ NGO खोलना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए कैसी भी प्रॉब्लम हो मेरे से देखा नहीं जाता एक्चुअली मेरी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म गोल यही रहेगा और वो उसको अचीव करने के लिए शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स आते रहेंगे और एकेडमिकली तो हो जाएगा नो प्रॉब्लम. वो सब मजिस्ट्रेट एंड लॉयर ये सब हो जाएगा लेकिन जो ये वाला है ये ज़्यादा मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा. उसके लिए मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ.
अरे एक स्पेशल बात बताता हूँ कल्याणी के विषय में. जो स्टडी किया देखो इसका शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है मजिस्ट्रेट और व्हाट गिव्स यू जॉय ऑफ लिविंग धर्ममय लाइफ. बहुत कनेक्ट सी अरे अभी आधी बात बता रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है. फिर नाउ वी कम टू अवर लॉन्ग टर्म गोल. ये बोलते मैंने लॉन्ग टर्म गोल बताया नहीं. बताया कैसे नहीं. हैप्पीनेस में क्या है टू गिव हैप्पीनेस टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स. What gives us happiness that are our goals. What is beautiful. Understand? Okay, next. Mandakini.
Jai Shankar everyone. I am Mandakini Bohra from Jodhpur. My short-term goal is to become a better person than what I am right now. उससे कुछ अच्छा ही बनना चाहती हूँ. ये मेरा शॉर्ट-टर्म गोल है. और लॉन्ग-टर्म गोल ये है कि जो मेरे शॉर्ट-टर्म गोल्स हैं मैं उनको कैसे अचीव कर सकती हूँ अपनी लाइफ में स्टेप बाय स्टेप. वो मेरा लॉन्ग-टर्म गोल रहेगा. तो उसके लिए मैं एक अच्छी इंसान बनना चाहती हूँ या मैं एक पॉजिटिव इंसान बनना चाहती हूँ. तो उसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करने की कोशिश करती हूँ जो मुझे अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाए भी और मैं वो अच्छी चीज़ें किसी को सिखा सकूँ. तो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं जोधपुर में हमारे आश्रम है जैसे यहाँ पर है तो वहाँ पर संडे बालायन चलता है जहाँ पर पास के गांव के बच्चे आते हैं. दे आर अबाउट 5 to 14. उनका एज ग्रुप जो है वो ये रहता है. उनको जितने श्लोक मुझे आते हैं या जो चीज़ें मुझे आती है मैं उनको ट्रांसफ़र करने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि जितना मैं सीखी हूँ मैं उनको भी सिखा सकूँ. ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे मेरे गोल्स हैं जिनको मैं अचीव करना चाहती हूँ. वो मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा जो मेन गोल है वही है कि मैं कुछ अच्छा कर सकूँ किसी और के लिए. और मैंने जो लिखा है कि व्हाट गिव्स मी जॉय वो यही है कि मैं अपने आप को पॉजिटिव पीपल से सराउंड करके रखूँ. और सबसे ज़्यादा पॉजिटिविटी मेरे अकॉर्डिंग बच्चों से ज़्यादा किसी में नहीं होती है. दे आर प्योर एंड वेरी क्या बोलते बहुत रॉ होता है उनका नेचर. तो उससे ज़्यादा प्योर कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती. इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उनके बीच में.
दर्शना व्यास.
Hello, my name is Darshana and my short-term goal is to achieve a maintained rank in class and my long-term goal is I want to be a doctor. Thank you.
Darshana, suppose you don't get the top rank, then what will happen?
I will make another goal.
Suppose it doesn't happen next time?
I'll try again.
Very good. Very good. Wonderful. चारुल व्यास.
Jai Shankar everyone. My name is Charul Vyas and I belong to Jodhpur. Since I had filled this form prior to the session, so you will find many of the things kind of kiddish.
No, they are not by that. I am very impressed. And I mean it. I read just now. Nothing is kiddish. Believe me. They come right from the heart and they are beautiful.
So I wrote about my short-term goal to pass my 5-year law, which I am pursuing with good marks and a gold medal, since I am being good with all my semesters right now. And the long-term goal would be, many of you might laugh also, but my long-term goal is to be the Chief Justice of India. Many of you might say I want to become a magistrate. No, I want to become the Chief Justice of India. So that's what I told, that it would be the most kiddish thing you might have read
No, it is
in all
not.
the forms.
It is not. It is not.
And joy of living, many people have got their own perceptions to what they find as to their joy of living. But my joy of living, my living is totally surrounded and all whole and soul related to my mom. So if I am of any use to her, in any, like if I have been giving happiness to her for a second, for a nanosecond also, then I'll find it the most beautiful part of the day. So it whole and soul surrounds to my mom, and that's what I've written, that if I'm of any use to her, then it will be the best of my life.
Very
Thank you.
Nothing wrong. Actually, very beautiful to have the goal of trying to be the Chief Justice of India. The difference is being obsessed about it. That we should not. Like my goal is to climb Mount Everest. Okay, so goal is Mount Everest. I start preparing myself. If I prepare myself, I am able to even take 5 rounds of my garden. It is because of that goal of Mount Everest. The point is that any goal should enthuse you to go beyond your comfort zone. That is important. There's nothing kiddish about it. The only thing, you should not be obsessed about anything, even a goal, even something good. Don't be obsessed. The obsession is the raga we talk. That creates problems. Bhumi.
My name is Bhumi Joshi. I want to be a doctor. One day, my father told me, "You be a cardiologist." I told my father, why? My father told me, my dream was, I want to be a cardiologist. I told, why dad? Why you want to be a cardiologist? My dad told, my father told, use your Hindi, your English, your handwriting, your studies are very good. And your marks is also good. Why you do not become doctor? So you become doctor. So my dream was doctor. My dream was doctor. So my dream is definitely I will become a doctor. और मैं मेरे फ्री में इलाज करूँगी, और जो गरीब बच्चों को फ्री में इलाज करूँगी, और मैं जो अमीर हूँ उनके लिए नहीं करूँगी, जो गरीब है उनके लिए करूँगी, अमीर है उनके लिए नहीं करूँगी, गरीब है उनके लिए करूँगी, और जॉय है लाइफ का मैं, और मेरा डांस गिव मी क्योंकि डांस गिव्स मी जॉय ऑफ लाइफ.
Can you show one step of your dance?
Which song?
We'll have to sing the hymn. Anybody can sing? Just 2 lines.
I can't dance on song. I can't dance on song. I dance on
Okay. Next time. Even I can't sing, my throat is gone. Listen to her long-term goal. प्रभु जी 1 मिनट आइए. 1 मिनट आपका बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम है. 1 मिनट नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं सुनूंगा. मेरे से एक बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई, लेकिन वो गलती इतना अतिशय, only one word to describe him is love. He is embodiment of love.
Another word is I'm younger.
Oh, and I'm very lucky to have him there.
Okay, then. All the best.
Please give him a big hand. All the achievements are in that life. Bhumi, I congratulate you for your long-term goal. It's a same what Mandakini. I want to be good here. So I want to be still better and better. Young girls, interested. Wonderful. Very proud to have such girls with us. Roshni Bohra.
Hello everyone, it's myself Roshni Bohra, born and brought up in Chennai. I'm pursuing my double graduation in MBA from short-term and my short-term goal is to complete my degree with good marks, and so I'm not so sorted with my long-term goals. So what I see in near future is to complete my what I do right now.
Yeah. You want to become the best lawyer.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. That's very nice.
That's what I see in
Try
the
to be
future.
the best in the field we are. Exactly.
That's what I see in your future.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you so much.
And she's written beautifully. What gives joy is able to give my parents every possible thing which they deserve. It's very nice, this inner feeling towards it. It's natural for everyone. But to let it shine within and be focused towards the parents.
Yes, so my family is
Don't compare it all, but it's a fact. Tejaswani Gajja.
Jai Shankar everyone. My name is Tejaswini. I want to be a lawyer, and my short-term goal is to achieve high rank in my class and in school.
Tanmay, I would like you to introduce yourself to everyone so that everyone can know about you. Please elaborate everything. Nobody knows from where you are coming, from which city, what you are studying, what are the activities you are interested in, what are your hobbies.
My name is Kailash. I am from Hyderabad. My short-term goal.
Excuse me, we'll have to repeat because the mic was not on, no? So your voice is not carrying there. I would request you to repeat everything from very beginning.
I am Tanmay and I am from Hyderabad. And my short-term goal is to be the best in maths. My long-term goal is to be the fastest runner in the world and a racer.
What are your hobbies? Which sports are you interested in? Then
And I'm interested in golf and I'm interested in cricket.
so what gives you joy? What gives you happiness? What you do, you feel you feel full of joy.
If I finish something, if I finish reading a book.
Wow. Ritika Vyas.
Hello everyone, myself Ritika Vyas and I am from Bali. My hobbies are dancing and crafting makes new things from waste materials, and my short-term goal is to achieve good marks in 10th class. And my long-term goal is to become a doctor, and my joy of living is to help poor people and get satisfaction from myself and my parents. Thank you.
Very good. Deepika Vyas.
Jai Shankar everyone, my name is Deepika. I am from Pali. I have completed my bachelor's degree last year and now I'm preparing for PSUs, and my goal is to get a good job as fast as possible, and my hobbies are table tennis, playing table tennis, badminton, and the joy of living for me is a good deep sleep after finishing my work, and moreover I would like to say joy of living in encounters the new experience. Like this camp, I am here for the first time I've heard a lot of things about this camp and I felt good about this. This is going to be a new experience for me, and now I'll be taking, the way I used to observe things, it will be totally different, I know, from today only.
Oh.
So that is the thing. Thank you so much.
Well finished. It's a beautiful statement. It tells a lot. Think deep on it. Good deep sleep after a well-finished work. Commitment towards the work, planning the work, getting it finished, no pramada, soul satisfaction of having done the work and then having lovely sleep. Wonderful. Vaishali Lohra.
Absent.
Absent. Okay. Do tell her how much she has missed. Okay. Priyanka Purohit.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I belong to the Pali city, and my short-term goal is to achieve good marks in 10 boards and my favorite subject is science and maths, to achieve good marks in that also. And my long-term goal is to be an engineer. Thank you.
Okay. Dolphin Pushkaran.
My name is Dolphin Pushkarna and I belong to Pali city. My short-term goal is to achieve BSc BA confirmation registration, and my long-term goal is to be a teacher. I am well prepared for this. That's why I appear for BSc BA examination. And my joy of living is self-satisfaction. If I will be self-satisfied, then I only self-satisfied with others.
Jai Shankar. My name is Shivani Purohit. Basically, I am from Pali. I just love being there. I was talking to sir for last so many days. I was totally confused about the scam, that what will be there, what facilities will be there, but I must tell you all the things are very good, sir. I'm just very happy about this. And the second thing is, I've done my graduation, PCA, then I have further studied for MSc in computer science. Now I'm proceeding for MBA in IT. And my short-term goal was teaching. Firstly, my goal keeps on changing according to my wish, according to my happiness. If the thing is, if I'm not happy with the particular thing, I keeps on moving. If the particular time I'm happy about the thing, I keeps on changing the things. If I'm not happy or I'm not satisfied. And the joy of living gives me food. I love eating food, different dishes. My mother used to tell me कि लोग जीने के लिए ठीक है खाते हैं, तुम खाने के लिए ही जीती हो. I just love eating food. And my short-term goal was teaching, and I'm further proceeding for counseling. I love counseling. I love to convince people for the betterment of my company or whatever field I go, whether I go for events. I'm not sure whether I'll be proceeding in Ahmedabad soon for events, but I'll definitely go for counseling. I just love counseling. I love to counsel students, and I've done job for 2 years in the school as well, for 1 year in DPS Pali and one for Kawaj International Pali. Was teaching 9th and students computers. Thank you.
Shankar everyone, myself Anisha Vyas. I'm from Jodhpur. My short-term goal is to pass successfully in 12th standard, and my long-term is I want to be an independent girl and make my parents feel proud. And for being an independent girl, I had started I'm giving some competition exams. I'm in 12th standard and उसके साथ मैं साथ में competition exams भी दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं 12th क्लियर करने के बाद साथ में शायद जल्द से जल्द जॉब लग जाए. And I want to make my parents feel proud. And मैंने joy of living नहीं लिखा just because हर चीज़ में joy of living है. But the main thing is that मुझे जो joy of living जो मैं feel करती हूँ वो है मेरी mom. हाँ, हर मॉम, सबकी मम्मा सबके लिए सेक्रीफाइस करती है, बट जो मेरी मम्मा ने जो चीज़ मेरे लिए सेक्रीफाइस की है ना, इट्स सो बिग फॉर मी एंड आई कांट फॉरगेट दैट थिंग. सो थैंक यू.
Jai Shankar everyone, my name is Radhika Joshi and I am from Jodhpur. My short term goal is to become a dancer and my long term goal is to become a lawyer.
Jai Shankar everyone, I am Astha and I am from Jodhpur. My short-term goal is maintaining my scores and grades in 9th standard, and my long-term goal is maintaining an attitude of acceptance towards everyone, because if I accept people as they are, I won't create any opposition to good thoughts about anyone, and that would be great for my personal or professional life in the future. Thank you.
I talked to my mother. I bought this form before attending. I was in Jodhpur 2-3 days back. I got this form. So I was talking to my mother about this, and she said that you just think and you let me know. I'll help you on this because you need to write something sensible. You can't give anything to Elsa. So I told her that, I just kept thinking that I want this girl to be like this. I want this girl to be polite with me. I want this girl to sit properly. I want this girl to be a little more, to just remove her arrogance. So my mother said that if you want to be happy, just accept people as they are. With a good perspective, if you will find something negative in everyone, you can't do anything about it. Sir, if you appreciate me, that you have a good smile, I can't say that, what about my face, what about my walk, what about my attitude? You just appreciated my smile. But if I will think that, okay, sir appreciated me, sir said something good about me, so it's a good perspective, it's a positive perspective. So this is the only thing.
Beautiful. I really appreciate, and this is one of the most important things to have joy of living.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshika Vyas. I'm from Jodhpur and I study in 10th class. My short-term goals, as I jotted down, are to get in the merit list, of course. I want to prove myself best in my academics. I will be appearing for board exams this year, and my long-term goals are to become a doctor and a very good human being. First of all, to become a doctor, we need to, the first step to become a doctor is to become a good human being. And the joy of living is nature, of course. I was born between nature. I love it, and I really appreciate the beauty of nature. I'm not coming here for more than 2 years, and this is my second year, but still I learned many things last year, and which I want to convey to you.
Certainly, please.
Still I'm shivering. Last time I shivered a lot more than I'm doing just now. When everyone was sharing their experience in the before 2 hours,
Yes.
I think, I was so nervous, I didn't stood up, and my mother sitting there was saying, you stand up, you also came last year, why don't you convey your feelings? And I said, no mom, I'm so scared, I'm really very scared. And in this, if it would be first session, I would not have come up here, but it's my second session, and I've got a lot of confidence, and maybe in my third session I would not need my mom's help to come up.
Very nice. Thank you.
Jai Shankar. My name is Lavanya Shroff and I am from Ahmedabad, and I just passed my class 12, and I will soon be entering a design institute. So I can say my short-term goal is to be a good student, work hard, and basically enjoy whatever I do and make the most out of it, as I've always dreamt of being a designer, which is my long-term goal. And my long-term goal is also to put to good use whatever I study. So, I believe that design can solve a lot of problems. So I want to help people through creativity. And I'm not sure how, but I will figure it out, and I'll put my creative thinking to good use. And I think making people smile, spreading laughter gives me the joy of living, and also learning new things. And another short-term goal I can say is to enjoy this camp.
Wow, wonderful. And I happen to be her proud county.
I'm Muskan Joshi, and I'm basically a Jodhpurian. So my short-term goal is totally opposite to all of yours. Fine. My short-term goal is to buy an iPhone with my own money. Fine. Because I'm a typical girl, just I'll spend all my money, and basically I'll just have 500 rupees. Sorry. So my biggest short-term goal is to buy an iPhone with my own money. And when we talk about long-term goals, so basically I want to be an interior designer. Basically, I am not at all sure that my parents would allow me or something like that. But then I want to do it and I'm going to do it. And when we talk about joy of living, so basically my joy of living keeps on changing according to the situations. So at present, joy of living is every person over here, you can come and talk to me anytime you want to, whether it's midnight, it's morning or anytime. I am here only to make friends. That's it. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Kritika and I haven't exactly decided my career, but I want to pursue forensic science as my career.
Very nice.
Thank you. Sharing, like spending quality time with my family.
You missed out something? Beautiful. Cracking a joke. I was waiting for that. The best answer, of course. Of course, humor is a very, very important part of life. Very good.
My name is Pragya and I am from Jodhpur. I am currently in grade 10 and my short-term goal is to satisfy myself with my board's result. And I have a long-term goal, but before my long-term goal, I even have some more long-term goals. So my basic long-term goal is to become one of the most successful entrepreneur. And for that, I want myself to be first well educated. So before opening my own business, I can finance myself better. And for becoming an entrepreneur, currently I'll be doing an internship with ITC Welcome Hotel in June only. I'm thrilled in political debates.
No, it's not what you written inside.
मुझसे confusion हो गया था.
Confusion नहीं हुआ, बहुत बढ़िया आंसर दिया है. तो बताओ ये क्या क्या लिखा है अंदर.
When I explore myself best, I am happy.
Wow, this is a deep answer.
जयशंकर मेरा नाम दीपक है. मैं मुंबई की हूँ. मेरा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल IE और IMO में अच्छा स्कोर करने का है, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर मैंने बहुत गंदा स्कोर किया था. मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म गोल आर्टिस्ट और शेफ बनना है. मेरा जॉय लिविंग उसमें लिखा नहीं है, बट कुकिंग बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मेरा वो लॉन्ग टर्म गोल भी और जॉय ऑफ लिविंग.
वो लिखा है playing outside and listening to hymns. Beautiful. Very nice.
Hello, my name is Jyoti. My short-term goal is to get selected in basketball team this year. Last time I was not selected. And my long-term goal is to be an author or a air hostess.
Jayashankar everyone, my name is Vishakha Proy. I am from Jodhpur. I've just completed my graduation this year, and my short-term goal is to be peaceful in each and every situation of life. Long-term goal is to realize my true potential, self-realization, that is my long-term goal, and the joy of living. To be myself, for me, it is the joy of living.
Wow. And to be in the present moment.
Yes.
What deep statements. All stalwarts. Be in the moment. Good.
My name is Vidambi and my hobbies are singing, dancing and acting. Except that I haven't written that. I love reading fiction novels. So like people who know me before, they might get a little shocked. I got a little shocked at my own discovery. I wanted to become an all-rounder in the film industry, but like this year has been completely different experience for me, and I just kind of you wake up from a dream and you were like, okay, that was a dream. So that thing happened to me, and right now my short-term goal is to go to London to the Royal College of Arts for designing. I see, you know that, right? Yeah, and there's a piloting school over there, one of the best, so I want to go there. The piloting course, they have a course for 5 years and then you can do designing with it for 3 years, so I'm
into designing, fashion designing at the moment.
Going to be a pilot and a designer.
Yeah. You can, like, if you know Jeetu Bhaiya, like Jai Bhaiya.
Just trying to know you.
Okay, if you're trying to know me, then I'll tell, like this course you have, it's mostly in the mornings or in the evenings, and the rest time you have is free. So you can continue your college with this course. So that's what my plan is. And my joy of living is related to why I want to become a pilot. I want to become a commercial pilot, an international pilot, because you know, you travel the world and I love to get new experiences traveling. If you see my Instagram profile, many of you have followed me, so it's like having all of that, those things and going to new places these days. And so I'm so obsessed with new places. So basically, that's what I want.
How much time do you spend on Instagram every day?
Not much, truly speaking. My mother has my mobile mostly. You should
Thank
know
God.
that. Because every time you give
Oh yeah, I forgot the mobile. Everybody has to.
No, I'm so sorry.
Good, you reminded me.
So sorry.
Everyone has to deposit the mobile, by the way. So if not today, tomorrow morning. So it's an important part.
I'm Arya Ganojra and my age is 15 years. I love dancing and cooking. My short-term goals is that, like first when I was in the family, I had a lot of expectations from my parents. Like both my mother and father both are working, and I had a lot of expectations from them. And when they were not fulfilled as a child, I used to cry a lot, and that's what I did not like. So my dad always told me that you're a child, you get stuck up into emotions, and I don't want to do that. So therefore, for not happening that, I wanted to love my parents unconditionally without having any expectations from them. And for this, I've started my processes, and I do a little grounding and a Ho'oponopo for my parents. So Ho'oponopo is basically a process where you say, it's basically lines. So you have to say 4 lines for your parents. I'm sorry, I love you, thank you, please forgive me. And these lines help you so that you can unconditionally love your parents without expecting anything from them. So that's my short-term goal, and as a long-term goal, I want to become a doctor and clear NEET. My joy of living is that I love nature. I wanted to share something about happiness. I've been listening a lot since I've been here, and I've loved everything I've heard about everyone. As I was a child, I'd asked my dad, "Dad, what is happiness?" So then my dad started explaining me and seen a video, and there was basically an incident. There was a man and he calls a small child and he tells him to have a gulab jamun kept in a bowl. And that child, when he has that gulab jamun, he becomes very happy that he's had that gulab jamun. And then his father tells him that have more. And then he keeps on having. And there's a point where he vomits. So then his father asks him that, was this real happiness for you? And then he replies that, no dad, now this has become like something I don't want to have. So then here his dad explains him that this was temporary happiness that we find. Whether it's his mobile, gadgets, clothes, those are temporary happiness. One more thing, we have seen a difference between happiness. Actually, we have a sharing circles going on, and we share about, we have the circles, so we are sharing about happiness. And there, it was seen that there's a man, and he's been cycling from a long way, and he is in thirst of water. And there's a person already sitting in AC, and he offers him water. So for a man cycling a long way, for him water was different, and the man that is already sitting in AC, for him that water was different. So for both, happiness was different. Now we question the fact that a person who's already gone through a lot of pain, for him happiness is different, and the person who's already got a lot of luxury, for him happiness is different. So why is there a difference between happiness? So somewhere we connected happiness to the outer happiness to painkillers, because it is the pain that we kill by temporary happiness. For example, I talk about teenagers, girls. For girls, they basically get up into wrong relationships. Is only one problem that they have a pit. They build up a pit inside them. Can I explain it on the board?
Yeah, sure. But even if what I suggest is only if they were absent today. What you're saying is making a lot of sense. I would prefer.
Good. I am Himvati and I am from Himachal Pradesh, and my short-term goal is to see the people happy, and my long-term goal is to become a Navy officer.
Wow.
Hello, I am Radhika Gurwani. I am reading class 5th. I short term is champion of badminton, and long term is commando.
Wow. Very good. Great.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जब अपने फ्रेंड्स दिए अब बन जाएंगे.
Exactly.
माय नेम इज़ भाविनी खत्री. आई एम फ्रॉम लीसा. मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर है यहाँ पे. थैंक फॉर काजल जिसने मुझे यहाँ पे लाया. और पहले मैं अभी यहाँ पे आई हूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मुझे अजीब लग रहा था, कोई मुझे बुला नहीं रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा था. बाद में वेदा की थी मेरी फ्रेंड बन गई. माय शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज स्टडी एंड माय लॉन्ग टर्म गोल इज वांट टू बिकम engineer. Yes.
Very good.
Jai Shankar everyone, my name is Kajal. I am from Lisa. My short term is dancing and singing, and long term is IPS officer. Jai Shankar. My name is Khatri Khanak. I am studying in 8th standard, and my short term goal is I want to become a badminton player, and long term goal is I want to become a doctor. मैं आपके साथ थोड़ी बातें शेयर करूँगी. मैं आपको पता है मैं क्यों डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है और देखा भी है कि शहरों में, गाँव में आधे डॉक्टर्स देते भी हैं और आधे डॉक्टर्स नहीं भी देते सेवा. या तो 1 दिन के लिए देते हैं या तो 2 दिन के लिए. तो मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ और मैं हफ्ते में 4 बार सेवा देना चाहती हूँ.
सर टू एवरीवन, माय सेल्फ त्रिवेदी पूर्वी. मैं भी इधर फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ शिविर में. एंड थैंक्स टू माय फ्रेंड हीना, उसने मुझे यहाँ आने के लिए एनकरेज किया. एंड माय शॉर्ट आई लव टू रीड बुक्स, लव टू रीड नॉवेल्स. And my short term goal is I have to read so many books because I want to become a good teacher. And my joy of living is in everything. I love cooking, listening music, play with children. Thank you.
My name is Hina. My graduation and PG complete. I love reading and writing. भी जो डायरी थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखती हूँ. और बहुत सारे गुजराती नॉवेल्स अभी पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. एंड इंग्लिश अभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, बट 2 पढ़ी और ज़्यादा नहीं. एंड इंग्लिश गुजराती बहुत सारी पढ़ी है. एंड लॉन्ग टाइम गोल इज बिकम अ प्रोफेसर. थैंक यू. एंड जो है रीडिंग बहुत सारे.
My name is India Tan. I am from Lisa. I have completed my final year study of BHMS, and my goal is awareness to people about in homeopathic system of medicine. Public में ज़्यादा होम्योपैथी के लिए अवेयरनेस नहीं है. Homeopathy is the second largest system of medicine in world. में आगे मैं होम्योपैथी के बारे में सबको अवेयर करना चाहती हूँ और अपना होम्योपैथी क्लिनिक खोल के
सक्सेसफुल हम लोगों की